Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the audio object. This is different from the audio recording object or element, which is where a participant will record their own voice and submit it to you. This audio object is for you to present audio as part of your study. It's located in this top option here, this media element option, and the third option down called audio. When you add this to the frame, this is what it looks like. You'll see that there's a little play button and this little progress bar here. You can change the name and any of these other properties that are pretty typical for all of our objects, and you can see the object properties video for more information. I'm going to scroll all the way down to these special properties that are unique to this audio object. This first option here is for the file. So you just click on this folder icon to add a file to the object, and you can click the X to delete that file. You can also control the volume. It's a pretty simple volume control. It's just with these little arrows. So 0 would be no volume, and 1 is volume is on. You can also show or hide the media controls from the participant. So if you're going to control the audio object with events, some people like to hide this so that the participant doesn't see, this big play button. They don't see that there's an audio object. They just hear the audio start playing whenever you've programmed it to do so. So let's see an example of how to use the audio object. I'm going to click on the folder icon here, and I have a simple audio file. It's just me saying a sentence, very easy. So I'm going to plug that into my object. And I am going to hide the media controls from my participant. So all I'm going to do here is first click Save. And let's go ahead and create an event that let's say after 1 second, the audio is going to play. So I'm going to call this event Play Audio. And my trigger is going to be the start of the frame. For my action, I'm going to use a control action and a delayed action. And I'm going to say after 1000 milliseconds or 1 second, I need to do an object action, and I'm going to control an audio or video object. My target is going to be this audio 1, and the effect is going to be start. So now I have set up an event that says after 1 second, after the frame starts, I'm going to play this audio. And click Finish. And then I'm going to create another event here, and I'm going to call this End Study. My trigger, I'm actually going to use an object trigger, and I'm going to use this audio object. I set the audio object as my target, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say when the audio is finished, we're going to end the study. There's so many different combinations you can do using the audio as an action, using the audio as a trigger. So this is why I'm giving you examples of both. So again, the trigger is when the audio has ended. My action is going to be jump to end session. And click Finish and save. So let's do a test run of my little study here. So we start. The sky is blue. All right, after 1 second, my audio played. I did not see the media controls because I hid those. And once the audio was finished, the study was ended. So that's just a quick example of some different events you can do with the audio object. I hope this video was helpful.